Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2014 government pass question. Question number 15 says citizenship is acquired by an alien through dash. Citizenship is acquired by an alien is through dash. An alien means foreigner. Foreigner. So a citizenship that is acquired through a foreigner is called dash A registration, B birth, C confinement, D naturalization. It is called naturalization because when a citizen of a particular country want to acquire a citizenship of a new state, first of all he have to naturalize his original state, then fulfill the constitutional condition for the new state. So option D is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.